Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, you'll learn 2 key skills in Storyline 360, how to set a scroll panel to start from the bottom using JavaScript, and how to customize the appearance of closed captions. First, open your project in Storyline 360. In this example, we've created a step-by-step process. However, when we preview the slide, it may start on step 4 instead of step 1. That's because, by default, scroll panels in Storyline 360 begin at the top. To fix this, close the preview. Then, go to the Triggers panel and create a new trigger. Choose Execute JavaScript and set it to run when the timeline starts on the slide. Next, open the JavaScript editor, paste in the script and click OK. Now, preview your slide again. You'll see the scroll panel positioned at the bottom and scrolling upward just as intended. Now, let's customize the closed captions. Close the preview and go to the Player tab on the ribbon. In the Player Properties window, select Colors and Effects, then scroll down to the Closed Captions section. Here, you can adjust the text color, background color, font style, and font size. You can also change the position of the captions, moving them from the bottom of the screen to the top. Once you're satisfied with the settings, click OK. Next, preview your slide to review the changes.
Exceptional leaders build cultures rooted in. A strong vision provides direction and clarity for the entire organization. Exceptional leaders know that success is rarely achieved alone.
If you'd like to refine the design, simply return to the settings and make further adjustments until the captions match your course style. And that's it. You've learned how to set a scroll panel using JavaScript and how to fully customize closed captions in Storyline 360. Thanks for watching and happy course creating with Articulate Storyline 360.